All right, now Kiambu County has posted an 86% growth in on-source revenue over 2 years, collecting 5.5 billion shillings in the 2024-2025 financial year. Governor Kimani Wamatiangi credits the growth to automated revenue systems that plug leakages without raising fees. The governor says the improved collections have enabled key development projects, including ECD centers, hospitals, and farm input distribution. Here are the details of this and more in our corporate briefs tonight.
The county government of Kiambu says its revenue performance for the fiscal year 2024-2025 jumped by 19% from 4.6 billion shillings raised in the fiscal year 2023-2024 to 5.6 billion shillings. The county governor, Kimani Wamatiangi, has said the county revenue services have been streamlined, enhancing efficiency, unified licensing, and revenue reporting. The County Executive Committee member for Finance, Nancy Kirumba, has, through aggressive revenue collection and new innovative ways of sealing revenue loopholes, says the county is targeting to collect 7.9 billion shillings in the 2025-2026 financial year.
This is not just a financial target. It is a foundation for our service delivery, development, and physical sustainability for the county.
Indeed, what we have chosen to do is in the Planning and Land Department to reduce the rates from 0.25 to 0.15, and that is in our finance bill this current year, so that we can help the people of Kiambu pay for their land rates in a better way.
Elsewhere, the Water Resources Authority has raised the alarm over illegal abstraction and pollution along rivers flowing from the Aberdares to Lake Naivasha. The agency warns that without urgent intervention, rivers in the catchment may disappear within a decade. Sub-Basin Coordinator Ruth Fundi says a pegging and marking exercise will soon begin to guide farmers in line with the 2025 water regulations. The county government also says it has set aside 20 million shillings for conservation efforts and is drafting a bill to ban eucalyptus planting along riparian lands.
One tributary has very clear color, whereas the other one is quite turbid. And the reason is we have encountered a lot of encroachment. The riparian area is not honored, and the farmers have really done a lot of encroachment, farming along the river up to the bank of the river.
Taking into consideration that eucalyptus are water-thirsty trees or consume a lot of water, and therefore we need to look at ways where we can look at alternative trees that can be able to be planted within the riparian so that we can protect this.
Ndota Mokami for Easy Friday.